Yo, guys, we got something really, really special. It's so special that these don't even have a release date yet. All we know is these joints come out in 2025, and as you can see by the box, bro, the presentation is already top tier. I have not checked them out yet. I ain't peeped this sneaker yet, but definitely something I was interested in seeing. I'm like, yo, when did these come out? You know, so the plug hit me up. He said he had them early, and we already getting some 2025 heat in 2024. We got to unbox them. We got to check them out and see what these things are hitting for. But just by the box, bro, we are in for a good treat. So let's go ahead and run them lights up and get into today's video. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Your boy is back, bro. I'm like, yo, he dropped another video this fast. Yes, your boy, The Vintage, is back, and I had to hit y'all with some early looks. You know what I'm saying? We had the Black Cement 3s, which we do have right here. I know everybody's been asking me, when is the shot drop happening? I hear the rumors coming soon, all that stuff, but we should hear something a little bit more definitive this week. You know what I'm saying? This week, we should hear something pertaining to a shock drop on these Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, and of course the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. And I'm still shocked that we didn't get a shock drop for the Fear 4s. They didn't do any, like, you know, nothing special for the Fear 4s, which is crazy. I wonder if this week they're gonna do like some exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app. Don't know, but it's like they like, you know what, we're just gonna let the Fear 4s be them and like prioritize the shot drop for the Black Cement 3s and the Legend Blue 11s. I don't know what's going on. I don't work for Nike. I just go with what I'm told, what I hear on Twitter, what I hear in my Discord and stuff like that. But yeah, it's crazy. The Fear 4s ain't really getting a lot of love, and that's one of my most anticipated pickups of the year. That's really that's top 5 for me coming into the year. Not too sure if it's gonna, you know, crack my top 10 list of pickups. It might not, but the Fear 3s definitely did last year. So we shall see what happens when we get a little bit closer to the Legend Blue 11s. The Legend Blue 11s is the last thing I'm buying all year, unless it's like something early going into 2025, because if you guys do not know, the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats will be dropping in January. I was like, yo, hold on. January? That's super quick. They were supposed to drop for Black Friday this year, pushing back, got the Black Cement 3s instead, and then, like I said, next year, 2025, we will be getting the Black Cat 3s in January. So, you know, so make sure you guys sub up, hit the notification bell, give a huge like on today's video. So much stuff going on. I know a lot of people have been asking me, yo, is the sneaker community dead? Is the sneakers dead? All that good stuff. It is, if you want to call that. But if you still enjoy sneakers, you still rock out with, you know what I'm saying, Jordans and stuff like that, you're in the right place, and all that negativity can stay over there, because we here today give you guys some more content. And like I said, bro, 2025 heat, and I do not know the release date. All I heard was like springtime 2025, which is crazy. We're only in November, bro, and we got some 2025 heat. So let's go ahead and read it real quick. Air Jordan 11 Retro Low CNY. You guys can see we got these things in a size 9.5, and I didn't even know this was a CNY colorway. Like when he said he had these, I just was like, yo, I don't know too much about them. I said, yo, when did it release? Did it release this year? He said, no, 2025. And as you guys can see, man, the box and all that is super tough, bro. Like, I don't know what it is, bro. That iridescent is super clean. So let's go ahead and flip them open and see what we have. And just by the tissue paper, you guys can probably tell what we do have underneath it. Kind of got that textured material, like a snake skin type vibe. Black and summer white is the official colorway. I did not read that. But let's go ahead and check these things out. And yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Here we have them. Something super different, bro. Hold on. I got to hit y'all with some B-roll on these, because these joints is different. Definitely a special Air Jordan 11 low. And these things is cold in my opinion, bro. You guys can see it, bro. CNY Air Jordan 11. This is probably one of the best of the snakeskin. I know you got the nightshades. You also got another, what other colors you got? But you got a bunch of snakeskin 11 lows that dropped earlier in 2000, like 2015, 2013, stuff like that. But these right here are gonna take the cake for 2025. Check them out, bro. You guys give me your first, you know, initial reaction, initial thoughts. My first reaction is I think these is dope, bro. Like, first thing seeing them, dope. I don't think they did too much. It is a little different. It's really different when you know, peep out the snakeskin material, that iridescent vibe, the same type of material or same type of, you know, look that she got on the box, she got on the snakeskin. I don't know how they did that, but they did an outstanding job in my opinion. And if you want to get you a nice clean pair of Jordan 11s, bro, here we have it, something coming out in 2025. And go ahead and check out the insole. You got Jordan right there with 2-3 on the insole, and then over here, let me go and check out what she got. Same thing, Jordan with the 2-3 in the insole. And check out this, bro. Nice little hang tag in that snakeskin material with this, you know, little metallic Jumpman. They got some beads on it. I don't know what's going on with the presentation. Like I said, this is a CNY. I didn't even know that. Usually CNYs drop around February, March time frame, but I did not see these anywhere on sneaker calendars. But I might have to check out Sneaker Bar Detroit just to, you know, kind of get a definitive answer when we will be seeing these. So just like we've been seeing with the last couple lows this last couple years, we did get the leather on the upper. They've been going crazy with the leather instead of the mesh, which, you know, I don't really care either way. Don't sway me, no, never mind. But on the back, you do have a white Jumpman 2-3 right here as well. Like I said, bro, on the third lacing, you guys already know, bro. Got your Jumpman on the branding, bro. I think these is nice, bro. I think it's clean, something different. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody gonna jump out the window, jump out the car trying to get these things. It ain't nothing too pressing because it is a Jordan 11 low. But let these have been a high. I think it'll be a totally different story. And speaking of Air Jordan 11 highs, today, the Air Jordan 11 breads dropped today, the velvet breads for the women. I thought that was pretty cool. I would like to see a pair in hand. Might grab a pair, who knows. If you guys see an unboxing here soon, a couple of days or next week, just know I'm gonna show you guys some things. I think it's pretty dope. I'm gonna do a little comparison with the 2020, was it 2018? Oh, actually, I think it was 2020 when the breads dropped. I'm not too sure. But I went crazy with them. Had like 4 pairs, had to let them go. Did not need all them. But nevertheless, here we go. CNY Air Jordan 11s. That nice milky outsole with kind of like a red carbon fiber plate leading to black on the side. I don't know what they got going on with these. Definitely something out of the, like, this is different, bro. It's just different. You know, can't really put anything towards it besides that this being a snakeskin Air Jordan 11. Like I said, we got a bunch of these growing up in the early 2000s, the different, you know, colors on the snakeskin on the upper, but I believe those came with mesh instead of the leather, which you guys see on these right here. So again, man, I wish I can give y'all the release date, the retail tag and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure the retail will be around like 180 or 190 on these lows just because it is a CNY. Definitely nothing that's gonna be too crazy because just imagine, bro, next year we have so much heat dropping, a lot of OG heat as well. So a lot of these releases like these are definitely going to get, you know, put on the back burner. Nobody's going to prioritize them. So if you want to wait to get these, you know what I'm saying, definitely it's going to be on sale very, very soon. If they do hit GOAT, they do hit StockX and stuff like that, you can probably get them for under retail months ahead of the drop, which I get. Again, I know people be saying I'll be, you know, talking about shoes sit and stuff like that. I don't care if a shoe sit or sell. As long as if I want it and I get it, I'm happy. I'm just here to chop up with you guys, get you guys' opinion on, you know, some of these classic sneakers dropping, some of these off-the-wall sneakers dropping, just to get some conversation going, just to get some interaction going on what we have been seeing lately with the, you know, the trends, bro. It's been different. It's definitely been different. Just imagine 2-3 years ago, we couldn't get nothing for retail. We was paying resale for everything. And Jordan 1s would hit the crazy decline within these last couple years. Jordan 1s were probably one of the most sought after in between 2017 through 2020. The next thing you know, bro, they tanked and nobody cares about Jordan 1 colorways. And that's crazy because there have been some solid Air Jordan 1 colorways. Now, I know I'm all over the place. You know what I'm saying? My bad. I just had to throw that out there, bro. I had to throw it out there. But again, bro, Air Jordan 11 CNYs, I don't think they're half bad. I don't think they're bad at all. Just something different that I don't think a lot of people are going to prioritize. And of course, it's a Jordan 11 low. So go ahead and drop your comments, your thoughts, your reactions. Go ahead and rate these things down below 1 through 10. If I had to give them a rate just based off the creativity, I would definitely have to give it about an 8 just because, man, this iridescent material on the snakeskin upper, bro, is something different. And the quality is actually pretty nice, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Leave a huge like on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. And make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, man. I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you so much. And all that's being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next early look, man. Peace.